Hello, I'm Mr. B and today we're going to add a new model to your DX8 transmitter.
Hello, Mr. B.
Hey Chris, what's up?
I need some help with my DX8 on how to add a new model to my transmitter.
Okay. Okay, first off you need to hold down the scroll button, the white arrow. Then turn on your transmitter till it loads next screen.
Okay, got it. Now what?
Scroll down to Model Select. Choose a Z model. Choose Create, scroll down to Model Type, choose your type of model. Plane, helicopter, glider or quad. Now you're done with adding a new model to your transmitter.